Wi-Fi reset. In standby or power saving mode, press and hold turbo for 7 seconds. To enter Wi-Fi reset mode, note when Wi-Fi is disconnected, the Wi-Fi indicator is off. Reset Wi-Fi to reconnect. Download the Smart Life app from the mobile app store, or scan the QR code in the manual to download the Smart Life app. Open the Smart Life app, register an account and log in. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Device. The device will be automatically detected. Select the device, choose a non-5G Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Tap Next to start the connection. Tap Done. Wi-Fi connection is completed. The display shows connection successful. Steps: Open Smart Life app. Select the device to unbind. Tap Settings in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Tap Remove Device. Tap Confirm. Device unbound successfully.